front. Lieutenant, fire at will. To the front.
You said fire at will.
I got it. Fire.
Got it.
Fire will. Front rank. Make ready.
Make ready. Hammer stalls off.
Present. Fire. One rank. Formidable. Present. Fire. Fire load. Right. Sir, slide down here. Out. Sir, slide down to here. Go like that. Yep. Leave a little gap. You don't have to be bunched up here. Come to the shoulder as soon as you're primed and loaded. Shoulder arms. All right. Left wing. Make ready. Present. Fire. Right wing. Make ready. Present. Fire. Prime and load. Any malfunctions in there? Be very careful. If you did not have a fire, if you're not fired, don't double load or triple load your musket.
I'm not entirely sure if mine fired.
I don't think you did.
Okay.
So I would, in your case, just dump and refine. Prime and load. Dump. Go to half cock and prime.
Try it again.
Wait till the next one. Wait till the next one. Fire! Fire! Left wing, right, rise, left wing, rise. Withdraw to me, right about face, withdraw to me. Go. Right wing, make ready. Present. Right about face, next the enemy. Fire! Bring him back, Austin, Lieutenant. Right wing, right about face.
Nope. Didn't get the order.
Right about face. Let's go. To the front. March. Hold. Left. Right about face. Right alone. Left wing. Right about face.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's the prime row.
Probably low.
Yep.
Hold! Prime and load, right about face. Got it. Say again? Bring him up to me once you fire. Don't wait for that last person. Okay, make ready. Present. Fire. Right about face.
We don't fire what we do.
Right about face. Listen to the command. Front, march. Quick step, march.
Double click.
20 yards behind, fantastic. Left wing, halt. Right about face. Try the load. Make ready. Present. Fire. Right about face. The front. March. This is a quick step. We're not running. Quick step. Rest to the right. Rest to the right. Quick step. March. Fire! Fire! We're gonna deploy in front of you.
I guess following.
Step up. Load. Climb and load. Take them. All right. I want you to take these 4 guys right to here and man the mount. The mount. Take them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right. Face. That way. Follow. Mark. Follow your lieutenant.
Go.
Stop. Squad. To the left, face. Prime and load if you haven't already done it. You're loading it from the foot. The other side was stuck, so that was pretty faster. But are you loaded? Yes. All right. Shoulder arm. All right. Detail. 4 steps forward. March. Make ready. Present. Fire. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. All right. Check the fire well. There we go. Keep it up. Keep up the fire for a bit.
Sergeant Kimball, can we move up a little bit more to get a better shot?
You want to?
I do.
Don't get in front of somebody else's muzzle.
Yep.
Good shot. It's Lieutenant Kimball at the moment.
Oh, sorry, sir. I'd say take a step forward, get up on that ridge, come down the deflate after you take your shot. Powder in there.
Still fire a little? Yep. Taking off here in the middle. Listen. Okay. Detail to the left, face. To the front, march.
Mine is a fine.